So Samsung will be unveiling its highly anticipated flagship smartphones next month. There have been many leaks in recent months revealing several key specifications of the upcoming Galaxy S24 series. Now additional details have emerged about the S24 Ultra, highlighting its durability. According to tipster Ahmed Quaider, the S24 Ultra will boost a titanium frame and an upgraded version of the Gorilla Glass, making it significantly stronger than its predecessor. However, it appears this feature may not be available on the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. The upcoming flagship phone from Samsung will use Gorilla Glass armor, surpassing Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the S23 Ultra. Notably, reports suggest that the AMOLED 2X display on the S24 Ultra offers a peak brightness of 2600 nits. Additionally, most countries worldwide can expect to see the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor powering this device. Furthermore, Samsung is rumored to employ an improved vapor chamber cooling system for heat dissipation, keeping the CPU 1.9 times cooler compared to its predecessor. Moving on, the Galaxy S24 is anticipated to introduce the upgraded OneUI 6.1, which might later become available for other Galaxy smartphones as well. With the arrival of the OneUI 6.1, users can look forward to various exciting features powered by the generative AI, such as the addition of AI-generated wallpapers. Yes, the tipster Bennett Bruno Pro has leaked OneUI 6.1 features and their pictures on X. Features include an AI-powered wallpaper generator that creates wallpaper based on input. You input the subject's name and the background's name and it generates a wallpaper. The lock screen will also have the option to add portrait and weather effects. So basically, this Samsung features read text and turns into an image. But the cool part is it also automatically creates the wallpaper that perfectly fits your phone screen. Not only that, OneUI 6.1's photo editor allows relocating objects via drag and drop. It can select and move objects between images. It also lets you expand existing gallery images, straighten photos, and fill in missing details. The photo editor also lets you redo and undo edits such as drawing and stickers. The OneUI 6.1 comes with an exciting addition called Samsung Notes Auto Format. And guess what? Samsung Notes now have a cool feature that can transform those lengthy notes into a neat, easy to read bullet points. Furthermore, it can even automatically format your handwritten notes into text. OneUI 6.1 can also live translate voice calls from one language to another for both the persons on the call. This feature was already announced by Samsung a few weeks ago as their first feature powered by the Samsung Gauss, which is the company's first in-house large language foundational model. I have to admit that Samsung has truly put a lot of emphasis on AI in the upcoming Galaxy S24 series, and it is absolutely amazing. They are really trying to keep up with the time and provide us with the ultimate smartphone experience in today's market. Samsung is all set to launch the S24 series in January 2024, where we will get to know more about these features and most importantly the pricing. So what do you think about this Galaxy S24 Plus AI features? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.